echoes of footsteps fading out of sight. The city's heart beats slow in its rhythm now. Underneath the stars we take a solemn vow. The skyline whispers secrets from heights above. Concrete tales of heartache and forbidden love. Memories scattered like rain on the pavement here. As shadows dance, the night feels crystal clear. We move through the dark like we own this town. Lost but alive, never looking down. Rhythms of the night gonna lead us home. This city's our canvas, the streets are poem. Graffiti stories shout from the alley walls. Dreams caught in limbo, waiting on fate's calls. The rhythm of lives intertwines with no shame. In this city full of hunger, we all play the same game. A piano spills a tune from a distant bar. Its notes weave around us like a shooting star. The melody blooms heavy with soulful pain. Press and replay on memories etched in the rain. We move through the dark like we own this town. Lost but alive, never looking down. Rhythms of the night gonna lead us home. This city's our canvas, the streets are poem. A piano spills a tune from a distant bar. Its notes weave around us like a shooting star. The melody blooms heavy with soulful pain. Press and replay on memories etched in the rain. We move through the dark like we own this town.